In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Monzo sort code and account number in the updated 2025 version of the Monzo app. Navigating through banking apps can sometimes be a bit tricky, but don't worry, I've got you covered with this simple and straightforward guide. To start, you'll need to open the Monzo mobile app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in with your credentials so you have access to all the app features. The Monzo app is designed to be user-friendly, but if you're new to it, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. This is where you can see a snapshot of your financial health and a list of your accounts and cards. Once you're ready, look for the card or account that you want to view the details of. You might have multiple accounts, so choose the one for which you need the sort code and account number. Once you've selected the desired account, you'll see a range of options and features specifically related to it. Next, locate and click on the Manage button. This will lead you to a range of settings and management options related to your account. It's where you can adjust your account settings, manage your card settings, and importantly for today's task, view your account details. After opening the Manage section, you need to scroll down until you find the section labeled Account Details. Monzo has organized the section to help you find essential information quickly, so it should be relatively straightforward. The section is designed to display key details clearly, taking the guesswork out of a task that can potentially be complicated in other banking apps. In the Account Details section, you'll find your sort code prominently displayed alongside your account number. These numbers are crucial for setting up transfers, direct debits, and for any situation where you need to provide your banking details. Monzo makes this process quite seamless by placing this information in one easily accessible location within the app. Additionally, if you need to share your sort code with someone or input it into another system, Monzo provides a convenient copy function. You can simply tap on the sort code or account number to copy it to your clipboard. This functionality is incredibly useful for ensuring that you don't make any errors when typing it out manually, which can happen if you're handling a lot of numbers at once. And that's it. You've successfully located your Monzo sort code and account number using the updated 2025 app interface. Remember, having quick access to your account details can save you a lot of time and hassle in managing your financial affairs. So keep your app updated and stay familiar with these processes. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.